kung manalo yung mga Duterte. Hell to pay yan.
Sure.
That will be hell to
Yari
pay.
lahat,
No?
yeah.
Kaya yan yung possibility. No? Pero kung ma-impeach yung mga Duterte or si Sara at makulong yung iba nilang mga alipores, then medyo malilevel yung playing field. So meron kang iba't ibang forces na magko-contend for 2028. Pero kung hindi, then magkakaroon sila ng momentum going to 2028. Then all the anti-Duterte forces have to consolidate against impunity, against crimes against humanity, against betrayal
Pro-China,
of national sovereignty. So yun yung compelling basis of unity later on.
And for the Pinks, how to make sure hindi magkaroon ng divisions, hindi magkaroon ng essentially reversal of the momentum. Kasi in fairness, Sir Ronald, mukhang buhay pa rin ang Pink movement.
Yeah, well, first
but
they
has
have
to
to
be
harness.
nurtured. Yeah.
They have to harness the pink wave, the pink movement na hindi naman namatay since 2022. At significant qualitatively as well as quantitatively yun na-deliver. At ngayon, nakita rin natin na significant pa. Pero kailangan may tumayong leader para i-harness yan. At pag na-harness na yan, then magkaroon ng tinatawag mo na semi-primaries. Dahil hindi naman sila political party.
Exactly. Yeah.
So medyo interest groups, medyo organized groups, mag-uusap-usap. Sino ba ang pwede? Sino ba may fighting chance? No? Sino ba yung, kung ito ang katapat, mas malakas siya. Pero depende yan kung sino katapat eh. Kung ito ang katapat, baka iba yung kailangan. Pag ganito ang katapat, perhaps iba yung kailangan. So, yan ay ipoprocess sa loob. No? At sa ngayon, ang leadership niyan, si Leni at si Risa. Pero noong 2022, pinasa ni Leni yung leadership kay Risa. At nitong midterm, si Risa yung campaign manager ni Bam at saka ni Kiko, no? At saka ng iba pang pink forces. So, nung nag-scale up si Risa na sinabi niya, I'm open, yun, very, very tactical as well as strategic yan. Kailangan may mag-harness nung na-deliver ng pink wave, ng pink movement dito sa midterm.
Right.
Kailangan may tumayo. Ngayon, kung siya ang talagang sa dulo, ang pipiliin, then that will be the result of a process. Pero based sa kanyang klaseng pagpasa ng leadership baton ni Leni as campaign manager, at saka the only surviving opposition sa Senate, no, ay pumunta ka na. I-harness mo na yan. Dahil naghahanap yung mga bata ng leader eh. Naghahanap yung mga bata ng, kanino ba kami mag-identify?
Right.
No? Without
Mag-rally around,
without
yeah.
preempting the possible candidate ng Pink sa 2028.